To avoid breakdown ng kotse sa kalsada, pwede nyo nang unahan yung mga problema. Ito, idea lang to, no? Like for example, auxiliary fan motor. Kung front wheel drive yung kotse ninyo, ideally, kung more on city driving yung inyong sasakyan, 80,000 kilometers, palitan nyo na. Pero kung more on highway driving naman yan, goods yan, hanggang 100,000 kilometers. Then, yung mga belt ng inyong kotse, no? Ideally, 80,000 kilometers, early nyo na, palitan nyo na yan. At yung luma, iitabi nyo lang as your spare. At ganun din yung ating spark plug, kung iridium yan, yan na may nauuso ngayon. Kung more on city driving yung kotse ninyo, 80,000 kilometers, palitan nyo na. At kung more on highway driving, okay naman, hanggang 100,000 kilometers.